Today we're going to be putting on the Rugged Ridge door entry guards, also seal guards is what they're known as too. One goes here and one goes here. I'm going to show you, we're going to clean it, then we're going to put it on, but one of the benefits of them is that it keeps your paint from getting all scratched up, and when it does that, you don't get rust or anything like that, so it's a really good thing. So let me start with the front door. First thing to do, I just take a rag and I wipe it down basically from here all the way through here, and this is just an initial cleaning. Next thing you do, I just use these little alcohol swabs.
Oh.
BD swabs, you can use any kind, get them at Walmart, they're cheap. I take it, and there's two places that you need to clean, or three actually. This is the way they come packaged. We'll end up taking the red tape off of these three locations. This here is kind of your measuring point. It goes like that. Fits real easy. So it's nice to do, very easy to do. So we take this, we wipe this down here, like so, and then I clean everything. I go ahead and do the whole sill plate here, just because it's, oops, and I keep extra ones of these just for that.
Looks very clean.
And I just want to get that out like that, and then I give it a couple of minutes to dry, a couple of seconds. Doesn't take very long, just let it evaporate. These are pretty easy to peel off, generally speaking. There we go. You just peel. In the directions, they instruct you to get a 3M solvent to put on, because then they stick. But I've had these on a different Jeep I had for over 4 years, and they never came off. And the 3M adhesive is extremely expensive. It costs, I think they're somewhere around $9 or $10 per little packet like that, so I don't use it. So then I take this and you position it to where it fits, like that, and you just push it down, and you push it down here and along the bottom, and that is it. And now that will sit there for, so my last one lasted 4 years and never came out. For the back one, it's the same process, it's just a smaller area. So again, wipe it down, take the alcohol swab, clean it. Well, let's just make sure we know where we're putting it, which is going to be right in that area. Just, you got the little lip that comes up, so you just kind of form it right there. Follow the contours. Then we just do this, clean everything again. Remove the tape while that's drying. Slide this right in on a contour fit, push it down, and that is it. They look good if you look at the front one, and that'll save your door guards from rusting, especially if you live in an area that uses salt on the roads. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next adventure.